How to make money from influencer marketing. It's coming up here in this video. So let's get started. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and on this channel we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So if you'd like to learn that, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. All right, so we're talking about how to make money as an influencer. And there's a big mistake that a lot of people will make. A lot of people think that you need to have a huge following in order to make money with influencer marketing. But I'm here to tell you that that's not the case. I'm going to smash that belief here in just a bit. But influencer marketing, let's talk about it a bit. What is influencer marketing? It's simply the process of building an audience online and finding ways to monetize that audience. We're going to talk about how to do this here, so stick to the end of the video. But first, let's go ahead and smash that false belief about why you don't need a big audience to make money as an influencer. Now imagine there are some influencers out there. They have a huge following. They might have upwards of 100,000 or even hundreds of thousands or even more than 1 million followers online on platforms like, Instagram and YouTube and different platforms like that. And so a lot of people get the idea that you do have to have a huge following like that to make money as an influencer. But a lot of the people who have an audience like that, they're not focused in the kind of content that they're publishing. For example, a lot of influencers, say for example on Instagram, they post pictures of themselves, and they might be very attractive individuals, and so a lot of their following, they're just following them based on their looks. Other influencers will have a big following because they might post a variety of different types of content, right? So they might post one day about politics. They might post the next day about some breaking headline. Maybe another day they're just posting about their daily life. And so it's a mixed bag. It's a variety, like for example, a variety channel on YouTube. They're not consistently publishing content on one focused topic. So for example, you might have somebody follow you. In this scenario, someone would follow you and they might like your political rants, but then they don't like anything else that you publish. They're not really interested in your other content. So maybe 1 out of 10 pieces of content that you publish, they're going to be interested in. So first of all, it's really hard to build an audience using a variety of content because of the fact that there's people who are not engaged with all of the content that you post. On the other hand, for example, let's say you have a focused topic that you're publishing content on. So it's very narrow, very focused. Now here's where you don't need a huge following to make money. If you have a group of people who are all interested in the same topic who are following you, then you can make a significant income from that audience. Let me give you an example of how this works. Let's say you have a YouTube channel and it's all about baking. Actually, let's narrow it down a little bit, and your channel is not just about baking, it's about baking and decorating cakes. That's all you publish, that's every video you do, it's all about cake baking and cake decorating. Now, as you can imagine, you're going to get a following of people who are all interested in cakes and cake baking and cake decorating. Now, you can start to see how it's much easier to make money, even with a small following, when you have a focused, narrow, focused content. So for example, somebody who has a channel who focuses on baking cakes, they can post a video, and in the link of the video, they might have affiliate links that promote, maybe like a recipe book. Maybe it'll promote tools like baking tools, cake decorating sets, things like that. Maybe they'll have ingredients. Maybe specialty flour will be linked in the description of the video. And there's affiliate programs with this. So anytime anyone goes and buys through this affiliate link, now if you're the owner of this channel in this case, you would earn a commission for the sales that go through that affiliate link. Or maybe you can produce like a course. You'd have a course that teaches people how to bake and decorate cakes. And you can sell that course through your YouTube channel. And because all of your followers are interested in cake and cake decorating and cake baking and all cake topics, you have a channel that's focused on cakes. Your audience, they're all interested in cakes. You sell a course that talks about making cakes. You have a significant, your content is aligned with your audience and with the offer that you're promoting. And it could be your own course. It could also be an affiliate course that somebody else already created and you earn an affiliate commission for it. Now say, for example, you're the cake baker, you got your cake channel, and let's say you decide to have a private event where people can come to you and learn all your ninja cake baking and cake decorating tactics from you in person, where you can guide them and coach them and show them like what they're doing wrong and how they can improve. And they can come to you and they can learn this from you. You can have a mastermind event and people will come and pay to learn cake making from you. So is this starting to make sense of how even with a small audience, if it's a narrow audience that's focused and they're all interested in one single thing, how you can make money from this? I want to show you a few examples of this in real life. Take, for example, my friend Rachel S. Lee. She has a channel. It's focused on how to make money online. And she recently just broke the 2,000 subscriber barrier here on YouTube. And by the way, congratulations, Rachel. That's quite the accomplishment. So Rachel, she has this channel that's all focused on how to make money online. And her audience, they're all interested in how to make money online. And she's able to make an income online based on the fact that she has an audience of people who are all interested in the same topic. I know she's won the ClickFunnels Dream Car, which means that she has referred 100 people to ClickFunnels, and there's 100 people who are still active on the ClickFunnels plan, which if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, it's a software that allows you to build sales funnels online. And it bills monthly, so when you're an affiliate of ClickFunnels, you can earn a monthly commission by promoting ClickFunnels. And so Rachel, as a Dream Car winner, she has 100 people under her affiliate link who are still active in the ClickFunnels program, at least 100 people. And so she was able to win a Dream Car based on that. So she only has a channel. It's right now, it's 2,000 subscribers on her channel, but she's able to make a living, an income from that channel. And here's another example, and I'm not even going to try to pronounce his name, but his channel is all focused on Kindle publishing. So he teaches people how to publish books on Kindle. And not only does he make money from his Kindle books, which he has already published himself, he also makes money from his YouTube channel sharing information about how to publish books on Kindle and build a business around Kindle publishing. And he doesn't have a whole lot of subscribers either, but it's a narrow focus. So his audience, they're all interested in Kindle publishing. So he's able to make a significant income talking about and teaching Kindle publishing. Okay, so now let's get into the process of how this can actually work for you to where you can build a significant income from this. And as you might have guessed from what I've said already, the first step is to pick the audience that you want to serve. Pick your niche, right? You got to have a focused niche in order to really succeed as an influencer. So what is a topic that you can continue to produce content on for years and years to come to build your influence in that specific audience, that specific niche, that specific topic? Build your influence in that one specific focus. The next step is to find out what questions people are asking and what content people are already responding to in that niche. This can be done with something as simple as keyword research, finding out what keywords people are searching for online. And it can also come from competitor research, where you're looking at your competitors' content and finding out which of their content is resonating with people. Then you would just produce content based on these topics that you discovered through keyword research and competitor research and brainstorming and other methods, right? And asking your audience, if you have an audience already, ask your audience what they want to learn, and then they'll tell you what they want to learn, and then you can produce content around that. So you figure out what people want to learn, and you produce content around that, around those ideas, and you keep doing it consistently. Because here's the thing, is that this takes work. I'm baffled by the number of people who say they want to make money online, who want to build a passive income business online, who want to be influencers online, but they're not willing to put in the work. There's a tendency out there to quit as soon as things get hard. And this is going to keep you from success. It kept me from success for many years. And I'm right now, I'm in the process of doing a 120-day challenge on this YouTube channel to change my destiny, to change that for myself, to break out of that old habit of letting fear and self-doubt hold me back. I'm breaking out of that by doing this 120-day challenge, by researching content ideas and by publishing videos every single day on YouTube. I'm breaking out of that old habit and I'm building my way to that success. I'm building up that influence for myself. I'm building up that audience for myself. And even though right now, as of the time of filming this video, I don't have a whole lot of subscribers and I don't have a big audience and my videos aren't reaching a whole lot of people, that doesn't matter, because I'm focused on doing the things that I need to do that'll get me the result that I want to achieve. I have a vision for where I can go. I have a vision for where this YouTube channel can take me. I have a vision that I know that if I continue to consistently publish content here on YouTube to serve the audience that I have decided to serve, if I continue to do that and I do it consistently and I work on getting better with each video that I make, I work on improving, right? I keep pushing myself and I don't give up. I know that if I keep doing that, that the result will come. You can't get to the destination without going through the journey. So that's my next tip, is that once you've picked the audience you want to serve and once you've discovered the topics that they will respond to, start publishing content. Start publishing content. If you want to do YouTube, make a video. Get your cell phone out and record a video where you're talking about whatever it is, the topic idea, the content idea that you came up with in the previous step. Upload that video. Even if it's not good, upload the video. Even if it sucks, upload the video. Because you're going to suck when you first start. It's going to be bad when you first start. You're not going to be very confident or comfortable with camera when you first start. You don't have to be great to start, though. You have to start to be great. The way to get great is by starting and then working on improving yourself. So I know this can work for you, just like I know it can work for me, just like I know it's worked for Rachel S. Lee and all these other people who've been able to build businesses online as influencers. I know this process works and I have a vision of where it can go. And if you have a vision of where it can go, and if you're willing to put in the work, you can get there too. So stop letting fear and self-doubt hold you back. Stop letting these worries and these doubts hold you back. Stop thinking that you have to have all your ducks aligned before you start. You won't have everything figured out before you start. You have to just start. Take imperfect action. Okay, now that I've finished up with that little bit of a side rant there, let's continue on with the actual process of how to do this, how to achieve this. So now, okay, you're going to start publishing the content consistently, and you're going to keep doing it and not giving up. You're going to keep doing it until you get the result. The other thing is that, of course, you've got to be able to make money with this thing. So how do you make money? Well, you have to have something to promote, a product to sell. That can be your own product that you create. It could be a service that you offer, such as coaching or something like that. It could be an affiliate product that somebody else also created. Also, if you have an audience of people who are all interested in the same topic, then if there's companies that build products, that create products that are focused on that niche, that market, then you can get sponsorship deals as well. So a brand can sponsor your content by recommending their product, by doing a tutorial of how to use their product, by doing a shout out for their brand, something like that. So you can get these sponsorship deals from these brands. And there's multiple ways to make money as an influencer. But the key is just to start. Start producing content and building up your audience. Learn some stuff, invest in yourself, learn marketing, learn search engine optimization, learn advertising if that's the way you want to go. But just know that you can't get there if you don't do the work, if you don't put in the effort. But if you do it, then it can change your life. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this, and we'll see you in the next video.